How to speak English fluently when you know the right words but you cannot express them. Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing some tips and tricks by which you could speak English fluently. These tricks have worked wonders for me and trust me, it will for you as well. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's start with the video. So we'll start with tip number 1. So the tip number 1 is books. Books should be your best friends because they increase your vocabulary, and the first step towards learning English to increase your vocabulary, you need to know the words before you speak them. So, which books you should read? I will tell you my few suggestions. Link is in the description of all the books. The first book which I read ever is of Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. This is an autobiography about a girl named Anne Frank, and this book is really good for starters. I loved this book. Atomic Habits is a book which talks about small habits which could change your life, and this book is really good as well if you want to learn something. Life Strategies for Teens is the best book and my favorite book because these struggles of teenagers are so real and it all talks about that. The Fault in Our Stars is something which you could read after you have read all of these books because this is a fiction book and good for you if you're a fiction lover. Now let's start with tip number 2. So we know now that we have increased our vocabulary, but now what's more important? Your fluency. That's what we are here for, to increase your fluency. Movies can be a really entertaining and a really perfect place where you can improve your fluency. You know, movies are always so fun to watch and can also help to improve or change, yes, your fluency. You can watch YouTube videos, anything that you like to improve your fluency, right? And I will also add something here. You should watch those movies without subtitles because that way it can be even more better and you can even more betterly improve your fluency in a better way, I would say. Tip number 3. Tip number 3 we all love so much. Listening to music. It can be the best friend, I would say, and in fact a great friend in this process of you learning English. It is fun, entertaining and helpful. Now, which songs to listen? I will be linking my Spotify playlist in the description box, so yeah, you can definitely go check that out. But tip 4 is very important. For me, I guess this is the most important thing because even if you listen to different songs, different movies, even if you watch YouTube videos, just listening and seeing will not help unless you speak. Conversing is very important. Talk as much as you could because practice is the best way you can learn English and improve. Talk to yourself if you don't have anyone, but I would suggest to find a companion, which concludes tip 5. It is very fun if you have a friend or someone you can learn together, because if you learn together then it is going to be even more better because you can set targets for yourself, talk to each other on the phone every time in English and become fluent together, right? You can compete with each other. This can be an optional tip for you guys to find a companion, but I'm pretty sure you have to do this one for sure, which is conversing. Conversation, keep the conversation alive in you because that is the key role to improve your fluency. You can also attend different events which you know are available on different platforms. I will not say the names, and make sure to do that to improve your English. And this is a very important slide because enjoy your success, because now you know that you've learned and improved in your English, so you have to celebrate it, right? So make sure you follow these steps and like this video if you haven't already. Like, share, subscribe guys, because that's going to give me motivation to make more videos, and have a great day. Thank you so much for being here. Love ya. Bye.